This video explains the solutions to Chapter 2.4 written homework. There were two questions for Chapter 2.4, which is related to misleading graphs. So we're looking at the first thing here. Problem number 3, median. Here's the information given from the book, and you can see it looks like a normal bar graph or even histogram. We're looking at these years as categories, so I would probably consider this a bar graph instead of a histogram, because histograms would be numerical. You could find class low point, lower class limit, and so forth, upper class, midpoints, things like that. But from here, how's this graph misleading? It is because of the fact that looking right here, looking at this issue here, let me highlight it for us here, that there is no 0 in the y-axis, so that's a misleading graph. And right here is the answer. It tends to indicate the median earnings for females change at a faster rate than they actually occurred, because you can't really see. If you include the 0, you see it's kind of flat right here, versus here it looks like you have more change. And so you can see the good graph here looks like a decrease slightly over time, versus this one like a big drop. So that's number 3. Number 6, car accidents. An article in Student Newspaper claims that younger drivers are safer than older drivers, and so you can see here the number of accidents, and the number of accidents for 24 years and younger is around 5 million, and then for 25 years and older is around 12-13 million. The thing that's not being considered here, though, why we can't make a statement like that, is that there are fewer 24 years and younger drivers compared to 25 years. There's a whole bunch more. And so it would probably be wise to, instead of looking at frequency, that we would look at the percent relative to the number of drivers. And so a better comparison, like it says, is the incident rate, number of accidents per 100,000 drivers. And you can see 14% of licensed drivers were 24 years and younger, so at least like 86% on this category. So of course they're going to have more. So that's it for 2.4 solutions.